For the most reliable installations and lasting repairs of air conditioning, heating, or other indoor air quality systems anywhere around South Florida, the only name you need to know right now is Aloha Air Conditioning. We're the AC tune-up experts you can trust. Aloha Air Conditioning has been providing professional air conditioning services to homeowners and commercial customers in South Florida for over 30 years. We take extreme pride in providing flawless heating and air conditioning repair or replacements. Our dedicated staff team of more than 60 qualified professionals always work hard to ensure customer satisfaction while providing the highest level of service. What's more, we also provide 24-hour emergency services plus no extra charge for a Saturday service. Do not hesitate to contact us today at 855-882-5642 for the best quality service and peace of mind.